First, lay out all the components included in your package. You should have 2 magnets, a base, and 2 legs assembled with pendulum and chambers. Next, pick up the legs with 1 leg in each hand. Attach 1 of each leg into the base. Now, using 2 hands on each leg, attach the leg attachment into the base. Once both legs are securely attached, find the magnet. On each magnet, the cylindrical face is marked in black and should point towards the center of the cradle. Simply slot the magnet into the chamber. Now find the second magnet, and once again make sure the black cylindrical face is pointing towards the center of the cradle. Slot the magnet into the chamber. Now the assembly should be complete and the magnets should repel. Congratulations, the setup of the Active Magnetic Cradle is complete.